Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to pressure wash my deck. I'm going to be doing a whole deck makeover. I don't think I'm going to get to it all in this one video. It's going to be probably a part 2, part 3, who knows. But today is the start. I'm a little late, so we're in summer still. Spring is gone. We're just going to show you how my deck makeover. Behind me here is the deck. We're going to start it off by, we're going to pressure wash and stuff. These are some of the stuff I had out there. I just put them over there, take them off the deck so I could get going. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead. I want to thank you guys for coming back. And if you're watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, because it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead, flip the camera around so you could see the deck, what it looks like now, and to come in the future, okay? Alrighty. So here we are. This is the deck. I have, like, out here, it's flat. I wasn't going to do the yard, honestly, because needed to get work, and the guy was supposed to come in July, but I think I'm going to just go ahead and do the deck at least, so I could have somewhere, where it looks nice and I could sit out. These are the chairs I had out there and stuff, and some flowers and stuff. So anyways, all these fern and all these things right here, I want to get rid of these. And once the guy does the work and get the drainage in, I'm going to get rid of all of this. And we're going to make, oh my God, we're going to make some nice paver and stuff. Like, you guys should follow to see, like, what this place is going to look like in the next year or two. So anyways, here we go. We're going up 3 steps of the deck, and it's not that bad. But I don't like this color paint, and of course it does need a paint job. So I'm going to pressure wash it down to regular real wood and see what, if I'm going to paint it, stain it, or what I'm going to do. But this is what it looks like. We have a lower part here. I had a mat right there and it was raining, so yeah. So this is our lower part, like you see here. Definitely need to get that done. And then we have a step up. So here we have the step up. We come up, and don't mind all the junk back there. Those are my plants and stuff. But here they had, the people who had owned this house previous, they had their deck making with this bench, which is, I thought this was really nice. This is made in I think if I want to put an umbrella up here, probably bore a hole in here and stick it down to there. I don't know, we'll see. I really want to get this do over in the future, just to make it look nicer or newer with covers, because all these trees you see here, and when the leaf drop, it makes mess, like it's staining your furniture stuff. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's not that bad, but we're gonna make it work for now. I don't know why here doesn't have a rail. I'm assuming it was just easier to just step off the deck versus walking all the way down there. And honestly, down there it's a whole water puddle when it rains down there, right on that lower, let me zoom it in. Right down there, it's all water puddle when it rains. And you could see, because if you really look, zoom back out, the landscape is coming all the way down. They had a retaining wall right here to help, but I think it did its part. But still, over there, it's all water when it rains, like really bad. When it's snow, everything sets. It gets really wet in there. So I'm going to have to get some work done back here. But anyways, enough of me talking. We're going to go ahead and we're going to try to get the pressure washer out. And we're also going to pressure wash in this retaining wall. You can see all the moss and all of that stuff going. We're gonna clean that up and we're gonna get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the pressure washer out of my garage, and I'll come right back to you guys and we'll get it going and start washing. It's like 91 degrees out here today. It's like the perfect day to do it because it's been raining a lot, and yeah, not this hot, so we'll do it. All right, I'll be right back. So all right guys, I have the pressure washer out, and here it is. We have the gas. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure we have enough gas. There's some stuff in there and stuff. And we're going to... Oh, I got to get the fluid. So I bought some stuff to put on here, like the soap and stuff. So I got to get that. It's inside. So we're going to get that, and then I'll come back again. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna be using an 80 grit sandpaper to just rough over it, and then we'll take it from there, okay?